Here is an update on NewsMax as well as WTF. I mentioned in our previous video just yesterday on April 1st that there was going to be a pullback. I literally said it. You can go back and watch our previous video for WTF and NMAX. I said both of them watch out for a pullback. You can see, again, both of these stocks running up and then now having that pullback, right? If you are looking for my opinion and my technical analysis, feel free to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you're looking for more stocks similar to WTF as well as NewsMax here, I do share these in advance as well on the Discord. You're more than welcome to join our Discord, link down below in the description. It's free to join. We have over 32,000 members there. Now, let's go ahead and just view the chart right now, okay? Yesterday, we were all the way up to 287. And I mentioned in between yesterday as well within the day that there was going to be a pullback sometime during this week to keep an eye out for a potential support test towards these levels of 222, 182, 150, 118, and even 72. Here we are now below 72 at $67, down 71% for NewsMax, all right? Just wanted to mention that, you know, you wanted to get into this while it was low, below 20, below 30, below 40. Going into it while it's up here in the hundreds is just extremely risky, right? You could be profiting, but you're not selling, and then all of a sudden you drop down and you think you should hold because you think there's a reversal back up, and then it, rejects down and down, right? Same for WTF here. Hit a high of $28 yesterday, up a ton, right? You don't want to be chasing this. Why? Because the day after, there's always that potential pullback, right? Or rejection. You start off here right around $18 and pulled all the way back down here. There's some fake dead cat bounces here into now what we have is $7.14, down about 64%. So if you are new to the stock market, you got to be really careful about these kind of stocks and you don't want to FOMO into them. Say you did profit a lot into this and you're looking to dump your money into another high risk stock or IPO. Same thing could, it doesn't always go up, okay? So you got to be really careful with these kind of stocks. Be sure to do your own due diligence, and honestly, in my opinion, invest what you know. Don't invest what everyone else is chasing into. So be really careful with these kind of stocks here. It's a very short-term move to the top side and then back down to the downside. So what I mentioned in a previous video was just note that as fast as things go up, they can go down just as fast, and that's a really good example here with WTF and NewsMax here, both down nearly 70%. Okay. Again, if you are looking for a community where we don't share any BS or we're not sharing any hype, if you're looking for a community to just talk about stocks, ask questions, and share knowledge, feel free to join our Discord, link down below in the description. Like I mentioned, there's over 32,000 people there. Okay. And if you are looking for live entries and exits, we do have a permanent discount going on right now as we are celebrating our 5-year anniversary. So there is that promotion going on. Check the Patreon link down below for our Patreon. It's optional. You don't have to join it, right? You can join the Discord as it's free. Patreon there is just going to share live entries and exits on stocks and options. And of course, nothing's going to be guaranteed. It's just analysts sharing their personal opinions, trade ideas, and you're more than welcome to ask any questions, okay? We're not looking to force anyone what to do. We're just sharing our personal opinions. Thank you guys for watching this for WTF and NMAX. My personal prediction at this point is we do probably reach to the IPO initial pricing. So watch out for NMAX to potentially maybe have another bounce here closer to the middle of 118 and 72. You could possibly see 90 and then a rejection all the way back down. So at some point, I do think $14 is going to be retested here for NMAX, as well as WTF here, going back down to about $4. That's just my personal prediction. Do what you want to do. But again, let us know what you think down below in the comments, right? I'm just saying, if you watched our previous video from yesterday, right on our YouTube channel, you'll know that I said careful for a pullback, right? And so these kind of stocks, you just want to be really careful about. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for stocks like these, all right?